Me baby, I can't live without you. Me baby, me baby, how do I be without you? Me baby, I don't wanna stay without you. Me baby, you mean everything to me. Me baby, you mean everything to me. Me baby, how can I live without you? Me baby, everything I do is for you. Hey, me baby, tell me how to go on without you. Me baby, everything I do is for you. Me baby, I live for you. Me baby, you're the air that I breathe, the food that I eat. Oh, me baby, everything. You're my everything. Me baby, everything is about you. I think that's a beautiful beat, nigga. Oh, me baby, everything I live for you. Me baby, everything I do is for you. Me baby, how do I live without you? Me baby, I won't die if you give me. Me baby, I will die if you leave me. Me baby, how can I live without you? Me baby, oh, oh. Me baby, how can I live without you? Me baby, how do I live without you? Me baby, everything I do is for you. Me baby, come save my soul. Me baby, come take my love. How do I live without you? Hey, I think tonight I'm gonna rap on this one. I gotta express my love for ya, baby. I call ya me baby, cause everything I do is for you, me baby. So hear my heart blow out like, me baby, how do I live without you? Me baby, everything I do is for you. Me baby, I'm all you need. Me baby, you are all that I got. Me baby, oh, oh, yeah, oh, oh. Me baby, how do I live without you? Me baby, you're everything that I need. Me baby, you are me, I'm you, me baby. Me baby, yeah.
Yeah, boy.
I feel this big nigga.
Yeah, man.
Me baby, oh, me baby, I call you my baby. Me baby, oh, oh, you're everything that I need. Everything that I need. Me baby, you are all that I need.
Yo,
I think I feel the beat.
feel the
I feel the beat, I feel the vibe, and I wanted to go that direction, you know. Well, I just, I think I should name the song Me Baby, you know. For one time, I should do something that nobody expects me to do, and That's why I think I should do this song. I decided to choose and I'll be again. Me baby. Yeah, King Tooth. Me baby. Say you can't be you're
fine. The vibe is fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel we're good to go.
Okay, let's go. Me baby, you are everything that I need. Me baby, the food that I drink. Me baby, you mean everything to me. Me baby, oh, hey. You like everything that I do. Man, give me a piece of paper so I can write these relics, yo. Oh, yeah. Me baby, you are everything to me. Me baby, you mean, oh, me baby, you are the one to me. Me baby.
It sounds kind of live. I need that kind of feeling.
Okay.
So, a little moment.
Okay.
How is that?
Beautiful. Take me back to the beginning one more time.
One more time.
Yeah. And again.
Without waiting.
I think it's cool if we double it.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. You are everything to me. Baby, you mean everything to me.
Yo, what's up, people? My name's Melta Wills. Call me Melta. Eat Farm Records. Yeah. We're truly one in. We are banging right now in the studio. I have Yo. The answer say Koda. We're trying to make it level up. This is the vibe, man. Joto sanzemu. Tulimu vibe. Kazuku tukafuzinzemu ne carbon touch. Yeah, we want to make it nange at the end of the day. Bawagizibali that the consumer is out there waiting for the best. So we have to give it time. Right now, I'm still drafting the track. As you can see, there are no vocals. The guy is still down here writing stuff. So it's all flavored up. Sure. Chirunjo Mimbi Wali studio weri. This studio is so fine. This is Hit Farm Records. Sange wano kuchibata onozunga mwao to sanze machindi. This is Melta Wills, the producer. Ayoyo in the building, you know what I mean?
Me baby.
Yeah,
that's what's up, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, this dude, eh?
Yeah, man.
I sometimes call him, forgive my language. He's the one who crafts the magic. That's why I so believe into my music, because I know the moment we're to vida one. Man, chiba tight, chiba chika. It's real art in the making. It's the music. It's all about the music, and that's what keeps on driving my heart. And it will always keep on driving my heart. It's the music. Melta Wills, Hit Farm, that's where we be at.
Melta Wills, the producer. Chakabinyo man yoyo kunsala kolero kantu kano jagala flavor eri obimanyi.
Yeah, erige I swear.
Obimanyi.
Flavor nge I swear, man. Gewoma elimuli, you know. You just feel the music within. But I believe that's the magic behind the music. Before I drop a song, Nzengo muntu, I must enjoy the song. I must feel the song. Then after feeling the song, then I believe abantu babajja kulwagala kati awo ebiddako mbeera ninakwene nzekka. Why the magic didn't work out yet. We did the magic here.
Me baby, you are the whole world to me.
Yeah. Me baby, you mean everything to me. Me baby, you are the whole world to me. Me baby, you are the happiness to me.
I need the energy.
You need more energy.
Yeah,
I. Me baby, you mean everything to me. Me baby, you are the whole world to me. Me baby, you are the happiness to me. Me baby, what would I do without you, baby?
Yes, man.
Me, baby, you mean everything to me. Me, baby, you are the whole world to me. Me, baby, you are the happiness to me. Me, baby, where would I be without you, baby?
IBRAH K mukasage manyaga ngomulungi aloba inojo sinzira okubanga tulaba nkwanirizaako yakatagataka essaawa eno tusinzidde ku Hits Farm Studios ngera basangibwa wano Makindye Madirisa Zone. Madirisa ekigambo kiri Madirisa naye munanga abantu bakiyita Madirisa. Kiri Madirisa yali mukyala muzungu. We baneminga zone eno Madirisa naye abantu bayitawo ku Madirisa. Madirisa. Yo bulambo gamba ki?
Ndistede ogamba ki natamegwa sebo atagejja atakogga.
Abalungi abatulaba tulina yoyo twakola da profile interview way back nenga tulina project empya katu following up abayimbi in studios okulaba bakookinga batya ekintu. How do they cook up this stuff? Tutunulya producer and tutunulya n'omuyimbi. So murani ya fair 2020. This is a project called 2020. Already 2020 fetwayingidde dda era nga tutunulira abayimbi. So far so good. Era nga wotulabira wano sawa eno tuli mu Hit Farm Studios esangibwe Makindye Madirisa Zone. Tulina omuyimbi amanyiddwa nga
Martinyoyo, also known as Martinyoyo.
This time round tutunulira oluyimba
Me baby.
kitegeeza ki?
Baby wange.
Yoyo oli mufumbo. Oli mufumbo.
Olwaki abafumo ke babera ne ba baby babo.
Atoze mu kibuuzo. Yoyo oli mufumbo.
Yoyo tannawasa.
Naye nga
ajja kuwasa.
Inshallah. Yoyo tutunulira recording session yonna kolalo tukuguddeko naye nga buli kimu tusanze kitambula bulungi nnyo. Tukusanze ne producer nga ali mu generatinga engoma. Style kyeyo.
Style eri mu zouk. Zouk, basically my music abera a fusion of three things. Esooka kati eno mulimu ka zouk, mulimu ka afro, ate era mulimu ne ka yoyo music.
Okay.
So it's a fusion of bintu bisatu.
So o recordinze o taking a take maker mu recordinga mu voicing
nze taking a take emu.
Okay. Okay, tutunulidde olina olupapula ne pen. So kino kyeki
omaye bwenzijano beat bwenjifiringa mutwe nentandika okumumunya then kati nengamba kanoonye ebigambo byensobola okurayimingako obulungi okusinziira ku rhythm gyenfunye because music is a feeling kiva ku mutima kati bwemala okukifuna then kukwata peni nembiteeka wansi ku lupapula kwegamba nsobole okubiteeka wali obulungi nga bw'omanyi nti oluyimba of course abantu baluwulira ne baluddamu emirundi naye nga mu bwongo bisooka kudduka mu bwongo kati nenfuna beat ne melody then n'ebigambo nembiteeka wansi ku lupapula kansobole nange obwongo obutatamwatamwa nti luli nayimba kino ate luli nenyimba kino kati awo nempandika ekintu kyengenda okuyimba then kati awo nemsa producer nti kale nansaba nti kale genda ku microphone ne tuteekayo ne turecording.
Thank you so much. Omuntu atulaba yali yagadde okumanya bakuwandikira weewandikira era bwe bakuwandikira biseera kye bakuwandikira bw'oba weewandikira lwaki weewandikira?
Ekansokere ku lwaki neewandikira omanyi kuba ndi mu bibiri neewandikira ate sometimes bampandikira naye lwaki neewandikira because nga bwe nti music eba feeling nti kukisinga bwema mpulidde nyinza okubeera kati nga nti nsazeeko melta ate no weewuunye nabadde just mpiseeko wano ku Hit Farm kola bintu birala naye nenyingirako mu studio nempula nga beat gyakuba yakabinyo manyi I've worked with him before so many times nemuga man ekyo ekigoma vibe ya kabi feeling nejja nentandika so with me music is a feeling bwenti bwenkoze nyimba zange zonna ezinyuma enungi zempandise nti always instandikira ku beat naddala mu studio oli bwampa a beautiful beat nenji feelinga then okumpandikira normally kubaka abamu bayita ne producer ngoyo nga Melta nampereza akayimba katugamba ku WhatsApp nangamba wulira akayimba waliwo kana akayimba ndoza kalungi oba oluusi omwana ayinza okawandika naye nga yakawandika nga mbongo bwe mulimu nti ndoza kana akayimba yoyo yajja okayimba obulungi mpulira engeri
yasobola okukatuulamu obulungi
yajja okukatuulamu bulungi mpulira engeri feeling gye nkawandikiddemu yajja okukatuulamu of course bwakampereza nange nempulira neŋŋamba nti weewaawo nja kukatuulamu oba akano sikafiirinze okya it's that simple okugeza nga akayimba oddeko emabega avukado bagamba nti yoyo yabba akayimba ekyovu kiri nti through Melta bampereza akayimba omuvuka yampereza akayimba nangamba waliwo akayimba kano okay nga yayimbye na bintu birala naye nze nengamba melody ntuufu ndowooza nsobola okagwamu n'omulamu angwagala okyulira nenkakyusa nenzija ne tukakuba of course ye yamanyi oba yali kaguza n'omuntu omulala that is a topic for another day and ebyo bizibu bye.
So how many times have you been implicated mu scandals z'okuba ennyimba?
Ndowooza gwe guno gwokka era nga bwandigambye nti ogamba otya omusajja ate oba nanyini banka nti ate yabbye banka irebye kuba nze music muyina aflowinga munze mu musaayi
yoyo nga tuwunzika lastly nga tudduka 2019 aweddeko we are counting just a few days to go crossing to 2020 bana Uganda obateeketeekedeki
ekisooka 2019 simukkiriza kundeka mabega ekisooka nteeseteese ekyeggulo kingenda okulyamu n'abawagizi bange n'emikwano gyange n'abantu bange bonna era kiriyo ku Lwokusatu ku National Theatre ng'enaku z'omwezi 2 njise yoyo 365 dinner party abantu yandyebuza wa yoyo 365 yoyo kuba era nga bugame 2019 aweddeko nomanyi 2019 abaddemu ennaku meka bisatu nkaga mutano yensonga lwaki eri yoyo 365 kandi njagala sharing n'abantu bange an experience gyembadde nayo all through the year what of course mubeeramu okusomoozebwa kikwempiseemu naye ate mubaddemu n'ebiseera ebimu happy moments. I would also love to share those happy moments with my people okiraba and then also nga boga nti 2020 already twamingidde that this is the project for 2020 ngera Johnson and recording so I would want to tell my people nti ate bannaye muzze ne tuyamna naye sifudde sikomyawo these are my prospects for the future for the next 365 so that is why it is your 365 dinner party era nsaba bannaye buli alaba clip eno buli alaba this movie running please come to the National Theatre funeyo emitwalo 10 gyokka ojje tulyemu ffenna ekyeggulo male nkunyumize my musical journey musically.
Thank you. So abantu ordinary ya mitwalo 10 ate VIP
1 million.
1 million. So from the National Theatre, where else?
From the national, I've done a one-off because sagadde ku scattering amaanyi gange into so many places. Njagadde concentrating all my efforts okugezako producing a very beautiful show.
Thank you.
Okole ekintu ekiri out of the usual.
Thank you so much. That is yoyo for you. Iranga tukutadde. Let's cross over to the producer. Tutunulia project 2010 2020 nga project eno 2020 tutunulira abayimbi recording batya ennyimba kitambula kitya mu studio because at the end of the day gwabeera atulabe ewakeeyo tosobola kumanya biki bye bayitamu nga bakola music yono so tusazeewo tubaleete basobole okubanga batuyisaamu how is it done kitambula kitya oluyimba lutuuka lutya ewaka with me now negatiddwako producer agenda okubanga atoyanjulira amanya ge tuleko n'ebibuuzo bisatu tumute amanya ne boys
nze bampise Melta Wheels wano ku Hit Farm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Obulamu bugamba ki?
Obulamu si bubi. Tugezaako embeera nga bw'ogiraba. We are trying so hard to make it to the top.
Thank you. Tuyiseeko mu lugendo lwa production. Otandika mwaka ki production otandikira wa otuusa otya wano?
Tandika 2013 professionally. I'm saying 2013 because that's when I joined the Monster. Nga studio professional. Those the likes of Nash Wanda, those were the days. Yeah. Okay. Bwe lugendo lwangu lwa production. Njigiddewa production ndowooza nakyo tukireete. Ne Melta Wheels as in the word wheels. Waliyo omusajja ali mukwano gwange nga bamuyita Wheels. Yeah, he comes from Denmark. So that's how wheels come into my life nanjigiza production.
Wasomera wa wabiyigirawo ebintu bino?
Ebintu bino tunabiyigira Uganda, but I used to nga tukola you online. Yeah, because yajjako one for 6 months, then he went back. Yeah.
So what has been your biggest challenge in production?
Production, challenges nyingi nnyo actually. Zigwa muri mu vyencha yonna. It's all about one thing, okubeera nti time duration. Okitegeera. Okumanya nti some people tebategeera time. Okitegeera ne bava ne ku gundi ne ku mulamwa. Omulamwa in the sense that what is production. Okitegeera. So ekyo oba tulina time nkyongereko nti okubeera nti ekizibu kyensinza okufuna mu production nti abantu bensinza okusanga. That's why I work with a few abategeera music bengenda nabo. Siri ku bandi wagon. So mfunye obuzibu nti abantu bampadde nnyo obuzibu nga bagamba gwe lwaki toyagala kukola naffe. Okitegeera naye nga nze ekizibu ekyo nakiraba kyekisinga nze. That's the main challenge. That's why oyoyo ndudde naye is musical.
Thank you. Abantu balegadde okumanya besides challenge wenyumiriza ki mulimu gwokola?
Gusasula ebintu bingi nnyo, gumbeezaawo waka, nenfunyemu emikwano mingi nnyo, egiri productive. Ndowooza byebyo. Actually it pays my bills, and besides paying my bills I feel comfortable in the rather doing what I do.
Thank you. Abantu balegadde okumanya besides okukolera bana Uganda, any foreign artist gwokoze naye?
Yes. Waliyo project e Tanzania eyo musajja bamuyita Arafat. Bakamusayininga kati mu Usafi. I came to know about that because I went to TZ some years back. I was very happy until Oluyimba lwange we are presenting and he signed. So yeah, I don't have any prominent artists I would say outside the country. Yeah.
Lastly, your last remarks to the music industry and all the fans.
All the fans out there, they should actually look out for good products. Exactly. Like they say, good music stays. Now that's what I do. I'm proud of that. And the artists that I work with, exactly. At least I've lived to okubeera nti omuntu osobola okuddayo n'ogamba it's Melta was behind this.
Akatalekeka engoma eno for example jo generating yoyo mwali mukuyimbira mwali mukolera project ye kikutwalira how long okola engoma eyo?
Yes, nganze ku experience yange it will definitely ne vibe. Okitegeera vibe mwende kati vibe gye mbaddemu like we twogera ku eno project it took me only 30 minutes. Yeah, to kutuuka wano of course tennaba kugwa but at least you can feel. Yeah.
Thank you so much. WOLOKOSO Extra Myuji IBRAH Mukasage manyagende tugenda kubanga tusukawo wano. Producer bamuyita Melta Wills sinzira mu Hit Farmer Records the music source. Era nga show na koralero tubale tutunulira omuyimbi Martinyoyo recordinga atya ayita mbishinga recordinga ye kimwetagisa ki era atwala ki what does it take for him to record. Njala kwebaza team jenkoze nayo Idris Lukwagula Japan yourself Tony Sandable big on myself Chiza Clement alongside one mugo ya Daniel Japan yourself tukwatagane mu episode ya fe edako nayenga mbagamba nti mubere bulungi mweraba abatana ba subscribing kindly subscribe naba subscribing. Thank you so much for the vibe, thank you so much for the fire. Mwebale nnyo mwebalire ddala. Njala kwebaza abantu ba sharinga waka wa fono ku mikutu ejenja uleja Facebook mwebale nnyo mwebalire ddala. Njala kwebaza abalungi abatulaba mwenna gye musinzire okubanga mutulaba onakola letu sinzidde Makindye ku Madirisa Zone wali studio eno eya Hit Farm. Mubere bulungi mweraba.